Hi everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is a free video for Friday, November 14th. So look at this extreme volatility. The market dove here with a gap down this morning. Went all the way down to 66.45. And then we had a 120 point bounce in SPX throughout the morning. And now we're getting another retracement from this 67.75 area back down, $40 drop. Okay, we're just within the hour. Okay, we are making a lot of money on these significant downside and upside moves intraday. This week, 3 days this week, we've had multi-$1,000 plus trades in our trading room. This is a lot of fun, a lot of money, and a lot of success. These are trades we look for every single week. So what I have for you actually is an opportunity to join us for the next 30 days. You go to www.bctnow.com/join. For $7, only $7, you can join and participate in trades like this, generating hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per trade, where we're taking 2 to 3 of these trades every single day. You can join and learn how to take advantage of markets with this much volatility. So where everybody else is kind of freaking out because of downside, upside, downside moves, we've been doing this for 3 weeks. We're sitting here taking in profits every single day. So join us right now, www.bctnow.com/join. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the trading room.